In this video, we're comparing Proton VPN versus CyberGhost VPN, pitting the best overall VPN against the best for frequent travelers. Stick around to the end, because while both of these VPNs are solid choices, you might be surprised by the recommendation I have for you. First up, let's talk about Proton VPN's standout features. Proton VPN shines in terms of security and privacy. Built by the team behind Proton Mail, it's known for its strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and a strict commitment to user privacy. But while the security features are top-notch, the performance can sometimes feel a bit slow, especially if you're trying to stream or download large files. They do have a decent network of servers, but it's not as vast as some competitors, which can cause occasional congestion on high-traffic servers. Still, if privacy is your number one concern, Proton VPN is a fantastic choice. Next thing, when it comes to CyberGhost VPN, this service is definitely focused on usability, especially for frequent travelers. It has a larger network of servers, spanning across 90+ countries, so no matter where you're hopping around, you'll likely find a fast connection nearby. One of the things CyberGhost really does well is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a tech pro or someone who just wants a VPN that works without fuss, CyberGhost delivers. But let's not sugarcoat things. While CyberGhost does excel in ease of use, its security and privacy features aren't quite on the same level as Proton VPN. It has a solid privacy policy, but it's not as ironclad when it comes to features like obfuscated servers, which are a must for privacy-conscious users in some regions. The fourth thing we need to consider, both Proton VPN and CyberGhost have strong streaming capabilities, but CyberGhost is the real winner here for frequent travelers. With dedicated streaming servers and fast speeds in most regions, CyberGhost is better suited to accessing geo-restricted content abroad. Proton VPN does have a Plus plan that supports streaming, but you'll find CyberGhost more consistent if you're constantly on the move. Now, let's dive into the speeds. When you're traveling frequently, you need a VPN that doesn't slow you down. Proton VPN's speed is decent, but due to its smaller server network, it sometimes struggles to maintain high speeds when there's a lot of traffic on its servers. CyberGhost, on the other hand, has a larger network and tends to provide faster, more reliable speeds in various locations. So, if speed and reliability while traveling are your priority, CyberGhost is the stronger contender. Lastly, pricing. Proton VPN offers a free version with limited features, and its paid plans are pretty affordable, especially if you want to commit long-term. CyberGhost offers a similar pricing structure, but the free version isn't as feature-rich. However, its long-term plans tend to offer better value, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. So, here's the deal. Both Proton VPN and CyberGhost VPN are solid options depending on what you need. Proton VPN is excellent if privacy and security are your top priorities, but CyberGhost VPN is the best for frequent travelers due to its vast server network, ease of use, and faster speeds. That being said, after trying both of these VPNs myself, if you're looking for the best overall option that outperforms both of these, I'd recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial that comes with exclusive benefits for our viewers. This alternative is well suited to anyone looking for a perfect balance of speed, security, and usability while traveling. You won't want to miss it.